Hello friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. It is a festival of lights and a very popular festival and is just around the corner. So this video is based on it. It is Diwali celebration ideas. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is just around the corner. It is also known as Deepavali. It falls in the month of Kartika after 20 days of Dussehra. Diwali celebrations last for 5 days, starting with Dhanteras to Bhai Dooj. It is a festival of togetherness, love and sharing. On this day, Lord Rama returned Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, Vanvas. People celebrated it by lighting up rows of diyas. Diwali is a symbol of victory of good over evil and a light over darkness. Let's use this time to get away from darkness of COVID-19 and brighten our lives with joy through these fun games and activities. Idea number 1, Virtual Assembly. Virtual Assembly. Teacher can conduct an assembly on Diwali virtually. For that, assign each student a different part of the selected team of assembly and ask them to send video to you personally on WhatsApp. Then you can combine all video clips by any editing software, example Adobe Premiere Elements, Power Director, etc. Showcase on any social media. ID number 2 is Best Ethnic Wear Contest. Best Ethnic Wear Contest. Who would not want to dress well? Festivals are the time to go ethnic. So you can arrange a competition and inform students prior to the dress up ethnic. Click his or photos and send it on WhatsApp group. Best dressed student who wear complimentary hairstyle, jewelry and makeup will be a winner. These are few samples. Idea number 3 is Craft Wrap. Diwali is the festival of sharing gifts to dear and dear ones. Children will be very happy and their motor skills also enhanced when we organize the gift wrapping activity. Instead of using wrapping paper and plastic sheets, they can use scrap like newspaper, old magazines and fabric, etc. Decorated with color and all. Paper bags and paper baskets can be used. Make sure they will be a little unique and stand out in the crowd. Idea number 4 is Tidy Tiny. Tidy Tiny. Diwali is a festival of cleanliness. People clean their homes and decorate it. It is a right time to teach children the value of cleanliness. For this, teachers can give a task to students like clean their cupboards, bookshelves, window panes, paint planters with geru powder, saffron colored powder, etc. Take pictures and send back to the teacher in charge. In this way, they could develop the habit of keeping their things clean and tidy and learn the traditional way of painting planters. Idea number 5 is Crafty Hats. Crafty hats. Diwali is a time of decorations and kids love to do art and craft. You can give them a task on the craft as an activity or a competition. Thali decoration, diya decoration, rangoli alpana, card making. These are few examples. You can go through it. Idea number 6 is Origami. Origami. Origami is the Japanese paper folding art. Children enjoy it. You can give them making paper Ganesha, Lakshmi Charan, paper diya, lantern, toran, wall hanging, firecrackers, jewelry, etc. These are few examples. Diya, paper mouse, shared on my other channel, Bhavish Region Art and Craft. Idea number 7 is value-based act. Value-based act. Diwali is not completed without firecrackers. Kids look forward to it on Diwali, but it is important to make them realize the negative effects of the crackers on the environment. Teacher can brief them and give a task related to the following topics. Say no to crackers, buying other diyas from poor vendors on the roadside. This will help them celebrate the festival better. Organic gifting options like green tea combined with ceramic mugs and plants. Donate old clothes, shoes, books, toys to needy. So these are some pictures. Idea number 8 is jewelry design. Jewelry design. This is an interesting, valuable and creative activity for Diwali. Instead of using actual and precious gems, let's do this. Pick some household items such as pasta, beads, pistachio shells, dry kiwi slices, plastic spoons, etc. and turn those raw items into great jewelry pieces. These will go with all your festive attires. These are few examples of it. Pasta, kiwi, pistachio shells, dry kiwi slices, plastic spoons, beads. Idea number 9 is photo booth. When you want to enjoy an event at the time and also remember for years to come, photo booth is the best way to make those memories. You can also choose from a range of full-size props to give your photos that little something extra. Make your own die photo booth by personalized way. First, find a space for photo booth. Next, create your own photo booth backdrop. Set up your camera. Buy or make photo booth props. Add some lighting. Share the photos with your friends. These are few props ideas for Diwali. So, idea number 10 is Little Chef. Little Chef. Diwali is a festival of cleanliness, decoration, lights, sharing, happiness, shopping and worship, but it is not completed without delicious food. We make or buy sweets at home along with kheer, murmure, chini, ke khilone and all. Here we can give a chance to kids who enjoyed cooking, like cooking without fire. Activity: making bhel puri out of murmure, making sweet wheat bread, coconut laddus. So these are some pictures for reference. Coconut laddus. Hope these ideas will help you make your Diwali even more joyous and prosperous. Happy Diwali to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.